Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडिया's largest diagnostics company, Agilus Diagnostics. खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो.
Hi, today I'm going to talk about serums. Not serums for the skin which we normally go about getting, but serums for the hair. And serums for the hair again are very, very important because they really help. They seep into your scalp and go into the pores of the scalp and the hair, and really either give the nourishment, or they help to balance out an oily scalp, or they give it a shine, or they help the dryness. So serums are important, and we have quite a few serums for that, depending on whatever type of scalp and hair you have. For example, if you have a dry scalp, definitely you will have to use a serum and the serums are always applied for shampoo your hair and then apply the serum. Now you will use a serum that for dry hair which has vitamins in it. It has to have essential oils, and the essential oils that help the dryness. For example, jasmine. You will have to have jasmine, which really works on it. You can have sandalwood, you can have neroli. These oils really help to work on a dye, but a very little. You don't need too much. Just a drop is what is needed. The vitamins that will go in will vitamin B12, which is again very, very important. Vitamin A is an important thing for your dry skin. And so you'll have to have vitamins, you'll have to have essential oils, and of course any other ingredient that is going to help the dry scalp. So that is very good, a serum for a dry scalp. Next you're going to have a serum for an oily scalp. Now that again, you're going to have those that help to balance out this oily scalp and balance out the oil, so that you don't have an excess of oil or sebum coming up on your scalp. Now there again, we use things that help the scalp. For example, zinc is a very important item in a scalp for oily scalp. You also can have, on an oily scalp, you can have essential oils again, which help to balance out this oil, this oily scalp. Next, we're going to have this for like a combination, a normal skin. So that is just to give nourishment. So have a serum for normal skin, which will just give nourishment and do nothing else. Apart from that, we have a serum for dandruff, which helps to cut out your dandruff. And this again is used after a shampoo. And we have a serum for falling hair. So falling hair, again, you should use the serum, and it should be used daily. It's going to really help the falling hair. I've seen a lot of difference in falling hair after using serums. And of course, we should not forget the serum that we use on frizzy hair, or just to give a good condition on the texture of your hair. So we have these 5 serums that can be used for your hair. Apart from that, also comes in the perfumes for hair. So now perfumes for hair is it was a very ancient thing. I remember when they used to wash their hair, they'd put it on like a basket, or they'd put incense through their hair, and to really give it that perfume. But now what has happened, it's coming back again, but it's coming back in bottles, okay? So you can use these oil, you can for perfume for hair, you can use we get perfumes like J'adore, that's a commercial perfume that's made specially for hair. You can have other perfumes that are made specially for hair. The other thing is you can use essential oils. Now these are one of my favorites, and the essential oil I love is Lang Lang. Just take a drop, put it on your hand, and just rub it all over your hair. You smell divine, and apart from that, there'll be this beautiful shine on your hair. The other perfume I recommend is Jasmine. Jasmine is a wonderful perfume, and you find that will help to give you confidence. The other one is Neroli. Neroli gives a beautiful shine again to the hair, wonderful perfume, and it really helps to take away anxiety. and other things, because these essential oils work on the mind, work on your emotions. So they're not just a wonderful perfume, but they're also working on your emotions.